Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to buy a gift card using Google Pay. Google Pay makes it easy, quick, and convenient to purchase digital gift cards from supported stores and services. Let's get started. First, we need to go to a gift card store. We can do this through Google Wallet or Google Pay. For this example, we will use Amazon. Amazon sells gift cards, and as you can see, there are several options available. We just need to select one. Here, we will go with this Starbucks gift card. We then click Buy Now to move forward with the purchase. On the payment screen, we need to set up our payment method. Once we click Buy Now, we simply select Google Pay from the list of payment options. And that's it. We have successfully purchased a gift card using Google Pay. We can now send or use our digital gift card quickly and securely.